Welcome to this video on voltage dynamics in long transmission lines. We'll be analyzing the technical causes, physical constraints, and mitigation strategies for power delivery over vast distances. We begin with the fundamentals, why electricity seems to fade over miles of transmission lines. The core concept is impedance, Z, the total opposition to AC current flow. This is comprised of ohmic resistance, R, which converts energy to heat, and reactance, X, the opposition from electric and magnetic fields. Distance is a massive multiplier. Voltage drop is linearly proportional to the conductor's length. A tiny resistance per meter accumulates over continental distances, becoming a significant bottleneck. Ohmic resistance, R, depends on the conductor's material and cross-sectional area. The resulting I²R heating directly reduces available voltage at the receiving end. Magnetic inductance creates a back EMF opposing current flow. Inductive reactance, XL, is often the dominant cause of voltage drop in high-voltage lines, outweighing simple resistance. This chart shows the voltage sag across the transmission line. The voltage drops as impedance accumulates, potentially delivering significantly less power at the receiving end. Other factors include temperature, where heat increases resistivity, the skin effect, which reduces the effective conductor area, and corona loss, where ionization leaks energy into the atmosphere. The power factor also influences voltage. Lagging power factors worsen the voltage drop, while leading power factors can cause the Ferranti effect, boosting voltage. The vector interaction determines the drop's magnitude versus phase shift. The parameter sensitivity table summarizes key impacts. Increasing length severely increases voltage drop. Increasing voltage or conductor area decreases it, while lowering the power factor increases it. Next, we explore mitigation and control strategies. Engineers use various techniques to maintain stable high-voltage power over hundreds of miles. Key strategies include using higher transmission voltages to minimize IZ drop, deploying capacitor banks to compensate for inductive reactance, and utilizing fax devices for real-time voltage regulation. Thank you for watching this video.